Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that do not know, Okuku is the traditional hairdo and outfit for all Edo brides. And today I'll be taking you through how to apply a beautiful eyeshadow. Let's get right in. Lovelies, welcome back. Welcome. Okay, I trust you're all doing fine and well. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. I beg you, they need to pay to subscribe. You will see one bear window just there by the side. Just click on like this. Use your index finger, just press click, single click. Subscribe to my channel, please. Like this video so that YouTube gets to push my content out there. Like this video, comment down below, let me know what kind of look you want to see. Trust me, I'm here to give you back-to-back tutorials on how to get better with your makeup routine and how to apply makeup for personal use, for yourself, professional use, for business. Okay, this is a beautiful client of mine, and on today's she wants to this video, I'm not gonna cut this part. I go leave her like this because seriously today to talk tire me. Anyhow the English be a like that. Okay, moving on. For the makeup, I don't already know say when you want do makeup, you suppose do makeup for very clean skin. You know if they do makeup for skin with dirty. So the thing when you first do you first make sure say you don't clean the face, you don't prep the face, apply all those your normal skin care routine, your vitamin C, your serum, your moisturizer, your primer. Then you go spray this thing for the face. Shh. When you spray the thing finish. Okay, after applying my setting spray, I went in with my foundation brush from the Younger Beauty. Is a Nigerian brand, and then as usual I like to just push in my foundation to sit on the skin. Okay, I like to finish from one side of the face before moving to the other side of the face, which is also on the skin. Okay, so I just gently push. You already know, if you're a fan of Mama's Ate YouTube channel, you know that I usually apply my foundation using a brush to first of all apply my foundation, and then I go in with a beauty blender, and the beauty blender right here is from Glam Cosmetics, my all-time favorite beauty sponge. Okay, and it's soft and smooth and bounce on the skin, and I love the fact that it's black. Yes, that's another thing that actually attracted me to this brand. And then I went in with my contour. It was time for contour. I'm using a small blending brush. Okay, and this brush can also serve as my eyeshadow brush. Then again, this brush, if you look the body where you go see all the white, actually the main color of this brush now silver. Yes, and this brush now from a Nigerian brand called Nuban Beauty. I don't use this particular brush for like 6 years now, and no regrets because the brush na better brush. And another thing for makeup, try to buy it will last for long. Okay, in as much as you care for it, you wash it regularly and you disinfect it. Try to just use products that you don't need to buy all the time. As you already know, the rise of dollar no be our mates. In fact, one advice, if you know say you sabi they do eye hand like me before, it is time for you to practice all this our Nigerian brand product, because trust me, they try you. They try. That's why I can't go in with my pink blush and just a pop of color. These days, I just the light blush. It get as blush, they bring color to the skin. If you watch all this Z word, you will see the way their skin they like say makeup now. They trust me now. Those people even do makeup also. Just that their makeup now nude. Man, before you go just say bam, na so I take jump come here. In case you dey wonder I take jump come here, I don't want to make the video too long. But it didn't, so I just blend. I have other videos that shows my blending skills, blending of concealer. You can go check them out. Okay, they are on my playlist. And so I can't blend this same beauty blender. Hope so you remember saying now I take blend foundation, now I take blend concealer, now I take the blend powder. This beauty blender now to use different angles. I don't spray that thing again. When you spray and finishing, setting spray get a way of fixing your makeup and melting all the makeup into your skin for a natural glowing effect. Okay, and then I went in with my setting powder. For setting powder, which brand did I use? I beg, I don't remember, but I'll try drop all the product I use for the description box. down below, okay? And then I went in with this powder brush from which brown safe I not remember, and so I just sharp blend. I just the blend. And this my client sabi talk. If she not dey talk, she dey eat. In fact, now story for another day. Ma leave the matter for them before they go come abandon me. They never abandon me or my client. So them be. I never even talk finish. She already dey eat. Now so the things we do during makeup. She's eating, I'm working. She's pressing phone, I'm working. She's looking at her phone. Anyway, now businesswoman, a very busy person. So according to her, as I dey do my work, so she self bend they do her own work, okay? And in case you don't know, this is also the CEO and the brand owner of Jones Slimming Products, okay? I think if you are looking for a way to reduce weight faster, if you are looking for shortcuts, you know, if you don't jog, if you don't go gym, that has to go gym. Because like say the gym self now the gym you don't understand who they win for the gym, whether not the gym instructor they win because they collect your money every month, or now you self now you know they win because you know they lose weight. I don't know, but one thing one on say, if you don't say you find way to reduce weight, maybe you just go buy Jones Slimming Product, okay? And she gets the brand they do very well. They don't do for like 9 to 10 to 11 years now, so okay. But me, I don't know them for 9 to 10 years, and they are trustworthy. No side effects. You are good to go, okay? And so I don't come back to my makeup work. I call it blend. I blend that beauty blender. White Glam. This now their brush. Now another very good professional brush where you need to get this Charlotte berry powder. And the manager to think say one of these powder na almost 60 something thousand naira, and I be 70 something thousand. I pray man no manager. You see the what hola where gidigba. He fall not and I waste it not. We product DNA. Anyways, going on. Yes, we are here. This is a first step when you want to apply eyeshadow. You need to apply eyeshadow base and eyeshadow primer, and you need to blend it properly before applying any other thing to avoid unnecessary creasing of the eyeshadow on your eyelid, okay? Still on blending. Right now I'm using the fluffy blending brush from Nuban Beauty, also a Nigerian brand, and I'm using a transition shade of brown, okay? I like to use brown to tone the eyes a little, especially the crease area, before applying my eyeshadow. And eyeshadow, this is actually a requested look from my clients. She wanted this gold shade on her eyes. Yeah, she wanted a yellow shade of gold on her eyes, pigmented. Yeah, and this eyeshadow color is from the Juvia's eyeshadow palette, okay? I think the Masquerade Juvia's eyeshadow palette, and you can see they are no fallout. Still on blending. As you can see, the choice of eyeshadow brush that you use in applying your eyeshadow is very important. As you can see, I had to even zoom in. No eyeshadow carry fall for the under the eyes. You see say good just full the eyes, no. And this is another thing I love about doing my skin work first before anything. You know, say when you know so you don't already put you don't put foundation, you don't put concealer, you don't put everything for the eyes. You know, go just they carry the apply eyeshadow anyhow, because the full face will just dirty you. You go be very careful. You see the different kind of blush what they use fluffy brush, you go use soft human hair blending brush. So you see say I go back to those areas, and then I have to now use a setting powder just to sweep off under the eyes in case of any fallout. And then I went in with a bit of a black gel liner to darken inside the eyes, okay, before moving on to any other step. I dey like this pattern because you know say see inside the eyes go just black, you know, go just black, that kind of black look natural. Then I can't take brush till darken inside the eyes too. Most times some people they say, if you do this thing for my eye I go cry you. What go make you cry? They beat you. Just listen to instruction. If they say look up, when you look up, the person will be very careful. The person cannot blind your eye now. Knowing fully well say you no go fit buy eye, no go blind your eye. Just listen to instructions. Sometimes if your makeup artist there, you say look up, just look up. Anyway, now so You see the way say she dey talk, but see the way her eyes just black fine. Come make the eyeshadow pop well. I will never even use mascara. You see this tip wey I show you now, so not talk say I no show you anything. Now something. If you know say you never subscribe and you don't watch the video reach now, I beg. You know say you not pay me money for this video. I beg, I just want to beg you, say I beg, use your conscience, stay resubscribe, or take your conscience, stay like this video, or comment down below. Yeah, thank you. Anyway, shey you realize say these days I dey like to do my eyeshadow first before I go do my brows. You know, see as I do the eyeshadow first, come make me fast. See the way I just carry the brows, they go small, and often time when I go to talk say una no sabi use brow gel. How you know this sabi use brow gel? Na easy pass now. If you dey use this one, then until the person baff, e go clean the eyebrow, no dey go dey clean. But if I use pencil to draw brows, before you go see, if one auntie just come call organ now, kpakam, the eyebrow don clean. Which one you prefer? You call dey go draw again? No. And this one I dey use. See that same brush, I go clean my brush, I go take just blend the under. Shey you dey count wetin I don use inside this eyeshadow look? So it's not only 3 brush I use. I use the first brush where I take blend the eyeshadow primer. I go use that second brush where I take apply the eyeshadow and the crease. I go use the same brush. Shey you remember this brush? In case you not remember this brush what I use now, so now this brush now to do contour for the beginning of this video. Shey you dey see am say for inside this makeup industry, so sometimes our wisdom just need. You no need to dey carry the buy. If you dey buy, you go dey broke. They save your money small. All this brush na multi-purpose. Forget that thing. We just use one to take care many beds, calm, and the thing go stay fine. See now, so I now went back in. So what I'm just doing is called the final touching. Okay, after applying your eyeshadow, always feel free to go back. And then I love the fact that I applied a little bit of a orange shade on our brow bone, and I think that just made the eyes to pop in a different way. Okay, so I'm just going back to do a little touch up, and as you already know, I usually fix my eyelashes, or rather my client's eyelashes, off camera. And then I went in with my Fenty Beauty glue. So applying a glue on the tear dot of the eyes is a very important stuff for me, because it makes the eyes to pop, especially for those that have small eyes. You can see now, so that's inside the eye black. Okay, and then I went in with my glue on the cheekbone using that beauty blender. Are we good? We're good. And then I went back to that same brush. So you remember that brush now? Now, so as usual, I went back using my beauty blender to just do a little touch up, and then going. I used the How Many Carats and Cognac Candy in Fenty Beauty highlighter to just apply on the highest point of her face, which is on the nose, a bit on the forehead, and on her cheek. And then I went in with this recent spicy pepper. Trust me, you know it is spicy pepper they do for inside your rice, or for any spicy food where you want shop, like tatashi pepper. This blush, make I just tell you now, you see this blush from Glam Cosmetics. Anyhow way you do, anything you buy this, make sure this blush now part of the way you buy this blush. Dogu. No. Blend easily, very smooth on the face, on the skin, highly pigmented with the perfect shade. They have just these 2 sets, okay, and these 2 sets goes in for all dark skin and for all light skin. Trust me, depends on how you mix it. This is why I put 4 different brush, like 4 different color of blush, and you know, be like so I put anything. See, and everything blend enter. This one be product. So it's time for my all-time favorite lip brown Una lipstick. Anyhow you understand the English, they can like that. Which I try to talk now, say you see this brown wey they call Beauty by Jones. You know, say their lip stain now still number 1. You hold this very special place for inside my heart. Not beside the toast to me you go buy you, but just the test you. I let you know, say if you say you be lover of makeup, you be makeup junkie or makeup addict, you suppose get this brand. Like you suppose get all the colors for inside your makeup bag. If you never get all the colors, what you dey wait? I don't understand. You want me to explain, they tell you something. Then they see the lip. When you see the lip, so you know, like check her now. Most times now they say, I want nude, I want nude. See the perfect nude now, go buy am. Okay, okay. That's that for the lip. On the okuku, it's a Delta State vendor called Smile Gele. The guy is good. He does kili and he does okuku too. So he laid the hair to perfection and he's also the one beading the hair. See how gorgeous this beautiful client of mine, this beautiful friend of mine. I had to finish the icing on the cake by using the Jones Beauty, the Beauty by Jones eyeliner. So as that eyeliner just we just sliced it in the go. So as a black tip, sharp, everything on point, man. This Beauty by Jones is a brown that knows what she's doing. Well done. I hope you love everything about this look. I hope you enjoyed it all. Okay, what a beautiful transformation. I have the entire video going up on my Instagram tomorrow. I decided to show you first here on YouTube. My YouTube lovers, you come first in my heart. Please do well to like this video, comment down below, let me know what kind of look you want to see, let me know your thoughts. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.